na, same na. So, hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, today mag-unboxing video tayo. So, ayan. Excited ako guys. So, di ko alam kung saan ba kami mag-unboxing. So, kasama ko si Dudong Bren. So, ayan. Mag-unboxing kami ng iMac. iMac. Computer? Is it computer? So, ayan guys. I-unboxing lang namin.
Really?
Yeah. I think it's on that one, isn't it? Alam ni. Oh my god. Can you take a picture first with this one? I'm holding this one. So, hayaan niyo yan yung background. So, ito na.
You ready?
Yeah. Oh. Hello. Hello. So, keyboard guys. So, ayan. Tapuag box. Uy, guman. Like, what's that one? That's the monitor.
It's all built into one.
Like that, maybe.
It's a stand, yeah.
So, ayan na siya, guys. Asan ito tayong mula dali? Tapos, ano, yung cord niya, doon lang muna. Where's the mouse, babe? Ano siya cushion, oh? Can you keep the thingy there?
Huh?
Can you keep the box, everything?
Yeah. Oh, here's something here.
No, it's not there.
Huh?
It's there. The other side. Maybe it's here.
Might be there.
So, i-open natin to guys.
Well, it's supposed to be stuck down, so it's not there.
Ay, hindi siya ma-open. Ah, it's here, dear.
Okay.
Okay. So, nandito yung keyboard. Siya. So, ayan yung keyboard. At saka yung mouse. Nandito. Mouse. Hello. Excited kid. So, ayan yung mouse, guys. Tsaka yung keyboard. Ay, hindi ko alam. Yung parang lightning cable yata to. Isa. I think that's it. What's this one? So ito siya is, ano ba to? Yan. Pampunas siya guys. Yan, pampunas. That one? Yeah, I don't need it. So, puntahan na natin yung MacBook. MacBook. Yung iMac niya. So, ayan guys, binilhan ako ng... Galing ako sa work guys. Tapos sabi niya, pupunta daw kami sa Garden City. Kasi may pipick upin kami. Tapos... Excited. Excited masyado. Oh my God. So, ang saya ko guys. Tuloy-tuloy na talaga yung pagbablog ko kasi binilhan na ako ng iMac. So, hindi ko alam. So, ayan na siya guys. So, wait. Hindi pala siya mo. Nakatali pala siya, oy. So, ayan. Lagay natin siya dito. So, hindi ko na lang ito i-editin. So, sa shop guys, pag ano, sa JV Hi-Fi namin siya pinick up. So, nandun ako guys, hindi ko alam kung ano. Wait lang. So, nandun ako sa GB Hi-Fi guys kasi pinick up namin siya. Pumunta pa ako sa yung yung iMac Pro doon. Tapos ito na nga ang nangyari. Sabi niya may kukunin tayo. So, excited talaga ako. Ay. So, tuloy-tuloy na po ang aking pag-vlog kasi binilhan ako ng partner ko ng iMac. So, ayan. Thank you so much, darling. Ala. So, ito siya. Good. Dumikit. Ala, oy. Oy. Hindi ko alam. Ay. Hindi ko akalain nga mag-unboxing ako ng ganito. My God! Charot. Ala. So, ito pala guys is hindi ko alam. Hindi ako nagtanong. Hindi ako nagtanong guys. Ano ba to? So, may Apple Care siya. So, ayan sa GB Hi-Fi. So, ano pala to siya guys? It's, sabi lang ay Apple iMac 21.53 something. So, ayan guys. It's cold, eh? I'm gonna rip off that, eh? Hello?
No, it's in the cover.
Oh, ikaw.
Where's the camera? So,
It's here. They see the back only because, you know, I'm facing that way.
sure it's in here.
So, ayan. Shadow, mag-ano daw, B?
Are yours?
No, it's fine. Eh?
Put it there.
I'm gonna do like that. You do the thing. Oh. So, siya na po ang nag-ano. Ayan.
Did you put it?
So, ayan na siya, guys. Oh my God. My new baby. Char. Char ang OA. OA, guys. My new baby. Pasensya nyo na yung mukha ko, guys, ha. Wala talaga. Galing kasi ako sa trabaho, guys. Pinick up lang niya ako kasi, nag-extra ako today. So, mahapon ako natapos. Tapos, ayun. Sinupress ako ni Dudong Brand, guys. So, ayan. Hala. You right, eh? I need to put that one. ako eh. So what's gonna happen next day?
Well, obviously it works.
Yeah, it works.
It's on.
Thank you. Ayun na siya.
Alright, the lights now?
Yeah, it's alright. The lights there. I'm just gonna put it here, I think.
I don't see the screen though.
Let's create a screen. It's kind of same of this scenario, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's quite wider.
Of course it is in iPhone and an Apple product.
So is this a battery there or something?
Must be a battery job, yeah. There's no cord for it or anywhere to plug it in, so.
But how you can plug it in the
There you go. What's it saying? Oh, you put the mouse there, so you have to move it around at the time. That's saying
it's
you
on.
tune it on. That's it. Can you get it?
Wait lang.
That's it, now it's on.
So,
Now the keyboard's going to be turned on too.
turn it.
Back of the switch there. It's now on as well. So click that.
This one? Wait, English, Australia.
Yeah.
Yes,
Might need a mouse pad.
I think so. I think we have a mouse pad, isn't it?
I think so. I don't know whether it was there. Though.
It's somewhere in one of your computer or computer box. Hindi siya makita. Wait, watching race. So guys, ayan na siya. Ananta siya na ko. What? So, ayan na siya, guys. What mode this one day? Na siya.
The iMac 4K version.
Anong pala to siya, guys? Yung iMac na 21 inch, the 4K version. So, nga na siya. Ayan na guys, tuloy-tuloy na yung vlog natin kasi may pang-edit na si Inday Lebee. Oh. So, ayan na guys. Yun na yung video. So, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button. And salamat sa aking dudong. So, ayan. So, see you on my next vlog.